Hello and welcome. This is Mark Henry with Opmantek's 60-second product overview. Today we're going to talk about opConfig and device command configuration comparisons. So in Opmantek's opConfig product, you can do product comparisons. So for example, let's say that we wanted to take a look at changes that have happened to the show running config command. In the left-hand side, you'll see that we have the most current revision is version 191. So I can view that revision. opConfig will automatically provide me an inline comparison of the current revision with the next previous one. So this is revision 191 compared to version 190. And you can see in red and green, you can see the differences here. For example, we've changed from no service password encryption to service password encryption, and then enable password has been changed as well. Now you can also see this in a side-by-side output. So here you can see version 191, the most recent on the right, and then the previous one on the left. And I can go backwards as far back as we want to go. By default, opConfig will store the last 100 revisions of each command that it collects on every device. However, that's completely configurable in opConfig's config setup. In addition to comparing this device against its own revisions, I can also compare these against any two devices and any arbitrary commands. So not only can you manually check these configs yourself and compare these configs, but opConfig will do this automatically on whatever schedule you set. So for example, it comes pre-configured to do hourly checks on a whole range of commands like show running config on all the devices that you want to license in opConfig, and do this every hour. You can then create alerts and notifications about those changes in configuration and push those alerts from opConfig to op events, where op events can then take proactive action in both reporting, escalation, and event activity. And that concludes Opmantek's 60-second overview of opConfig's configuration comparison. Thank you.